Shalom, my name is Moran Rosenblit with Hope for Israel Ministries. Did you know that this land could have been the State of Israel? More than a century ago, British statesman Joseph Chamberlain offered this part of the Ugandan territory long before the State of Israel came into being. In 1879, Theodor Herzl formed the Zionist movement. Herzl outlined his vision for a Jewish state in a publication from February 1896. After several meetings with various European politicians and leaders trying to find a solution for the poor Jews in Russia, Zionism leader Herzl got what he was looking for. In April 1903, Joseph Chamberlain, a British colonial secretary, told him that the northeastern part of Uganda would be an ideal place for the settlement of the Jews, giving birth to the Jewish Uganda plan. During the 6th Zionist Congress at Basel, the British offer was presented. However, the Zionist movement was met with opposition. On the 7th Zionist Congress, the Uganda plan was officially abandoned, and 43 years later, the State of Israel as we know it was born. Did you know